Hello, everyone. I'm George Diaz, and I want to give you some really good advice on how to configure LearnDash and WooCommerce so they work really well together and they give your customers a very elegant login experience. WooCommerce and LearnDash are very well integrated. However, LearnDash is a learning management tool. WooCommerce is a tool for selling things. And many people use it to sell hard goods and not a course like LearnDash. As a result, when you sell someone a course, WooCommerce will create an experience that gets people back into the site so that they can log in and get access to the program. However, they're taking people to their My Accounts page. That's where people can get their receipt. If it's a subscription, it'll give them information on when they're going to be billed again. They can update their credit card, and that's where they bury access to the course you built. So what we recommend is to make three changes. First of all, you ought to have a dashboard where people can gain access to the courses, and I'll talk about that in a moment. You also want to come up and make the dashboard available in the menu, primarily the top menu, so that people can very quickly get to it after they log in. And then the final step is, instead of having members log in and go to the My Accounts page, you want to redirect them to the dashboard. So you log in, you're at the dashboard, and right there they have a very clear understanding of what they have to do next. So let me walk you through this. Now, I reference in this video down below a link to where I've really written this up in detail, because this is the final page or the final section of a course I built on this. And if you want access to that course, it'll show you exactly how to get that. But step one is you want to build a dashboard. And the dashboard that we typically build says your courses. And then at the bottom, if you want to have a list of all the other available courses for upselling reasons, you can do that. Now, it's very simple to do this with LearnDash's LearnDash Course Grid shortcode. You can look that up or visit my article. You'll see exactly how to do that. And what you do is you show all the courses to which the members enrolled. So they arrive at that page, and if they bought one course, they just click on it and they're off to the races. If there's 2 or 3 of them, they can click on those and very quickly get access to their course. Now, you want to make sure you update your navigation menu. So, typically you'll have a home page, and then you might have a shop page, and about us page, whatever. We typically put the dashboard right after the home page, so it shows up and it's very clear to anybody that's just logged in. The problem is you have to make sure that it doesn't show up when people are not logged in, because it'll either give them access to something they shouldn't be able to see, or it'll show them a blank page and it'll just be kind of sloppy. So there is a plugin, and it's called, let me look this up. Here it is. User Menus Nav Menu Visibility. Again, in the article, I spell it out very clearly, but if you use that, your WordPress menu for each menu item will have an option which says, show this either when people are logged in or when they're logged out. So you only show the dashboard menu when they're logged in, and that way you keep people from accessing that until after they've logged in. It's very straightforward to do, and with that plugin, it's very straightforward. Now, the final step is you want the login experience to take people to the dashboard immediately and not to the WooCommerce My Accounts page, which is the default place that WooCommerce takes you. So there's another plugin, and again, this is in the article that I wrote, and it's called WP Login and Logout Redirect. When you install that in WordPress, down in the bottom left, you'll have a menu option called Redirect Options. And all you have to do is put the URL of the dashboard there, and you're done. In some cases, depending on how your theme is configured or how you have configured your login, you may have to make a couple of adjustments, either to use the WordPress WP admin login or the LearnDash login function, both of which will work. because sometimes WooCommerce is just really stubborn. They're proud of their My Accounts page, and they'll want to take people there. So hope this has been helpful. There's plenty more information on the article that I wrote that goes along with this video, and in the free course that I'm offering. It'll give you all the details so that you just can't make a mistake. My goal is to help you make a very elegant LearnDash experience, make the most of WooCommerce, so that you're not out there displaying a course that's just sloppy. Let's just be very professional and elegant.